Welcome back to Blind Man Morris, and today I am diagnosing where we're getting an exhaust blowing noise from on the car. So we hit a massive pothole, which isn't that unusual on UK roads, and the engine note changed on the car, so I'm assuming, and I think more than likely, that it's probably the exhaust clamp has been disturbed from the exhaust and manifold clamp there, and not a hole in the exhaust or the manifold cracked. First things first, I've checked the manifold and exhaust by grabbing hold the exhaust just below the clamp there, giving it a good old, and that is not loose. It doesn't mean it's not blowing. So I'm going to check the exhaust through there with my hand. I cannot feel any holes. I've already checked the manifold nuts, they're not loose. So the next job to do, which is an old roadside test, is just start your engine, get a rag, put it on the end of your hand, cover the end of the exhaust. Somebody else comes to the front of the car, which will be Amber with a camera, and see if you can see where the exhaust gases are escaping from either the clamp or the manifold. So let's get the engine warmed up and see what happens. So here we are, got the engine running, and now I'm going to cover the end of the exhaust with a rag, and then we're going to do a full inspection from the engine bay right through and see where it's blowing. You go to the front and have a look.
So it's not coming from the engine bay. Okay, so we're going to show you. So John's going to put the rag into the exhaust very, very briefly, and you're going to see where the issue is. Here we go.
Ready?
Yeah. There it is on the joint.
So not on the manifold. That is your quick roadside test to see where your exhaust is blowing on your Morris. But now all